to tell us your name and tell us something fun that you did over the summer. See if you can make a one and you can put it down.
So it's the end of a successful first day. I want to thank everyone in our community for supporting our schools. And thank you, parents, for entrusting your students with us. We are all excited for what's going to be a great year.